Hi guys, and welcome to your 10-minute total beginner abs workout. My name is Dempsey. If you're new here, I'm a certified personal trainer, and today we're gonna be working out together. Like I said, today's workout is for beginners, so we're gonna be really working on building core strength, building stability, and just getting our form down for exercises that we might not have done before. The way the workout is going to work is we have 10 different exercises. We'll be working for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and we're just gonna do that for one round through. You don't need any equipment, just a nice comfortable place where you can lay down. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post new at-home workouts every Monday and Friday. Without further ado, let's get into the workout. Our first exercise is going to be a dead bug variation, but we're only going to be using our legs. So we're going to come onto our backs with our knees up in tabletop, and then all we're going to do is extend one leg down, bring it back up, extend the other leg down, and bring it back up, keeping those knees and hips at 90 degrees. Here we go. So we're pressing down with our back to make sure that our lower back is pressing into the mat the entire time. If this is a little bit too much for you, we can just do this with bent knees. So we can little tap and then come back up. Whatever feels good to you, really focusing on engaging that core. So draw your belly button down and into your spine. We've got 10 more seconds here, and then we're just moving into a nice simple crunch. And rest. Nice work, guys. All right, next up, we're gonna move into a crunch. So we're gonna bring our knees up into tabletop again, hands behind our head, and then we're just gonna lift up and come back down. So I want you guys to focus on lifting up rather than crunching forward. So just bringing that chest up off the ground and then coming back down, nice and simple. And then I want you to add your breath into it as well. So as we come up, exhale, and then as you come back down, inhale. Remembering to breathe. See a lot of beginners hold their breath while they're doing ab exercises. We don't want to do that. Just take it nice and slow. And rest. Nice work, guys. We're gonna come into a Russian twist next. So we're gonna come up onto our hips. I want you to keep your feet down for this. We're gonna lean back a little bit so that we just start to feel our abs engaged, and then from there, we're just gonna twist left and then twist right. So taking this nice and slow, not trying to go for speed on this exercise. And I want you to really try to keep your back as flat as possible. So roll your shoulders back, back stays flat. If you need to, feel free to just take a second, sit up, reset yourself, and then come back into it whenever you feel ready. With any of these exercises today, if you feel like you need a break, take a break, listen to your body. There's no right way to do this workout. And rest. Nice job. All right, coming back down onto our back, we're gonna go do some cross crunches. So knees are bent, hands behind our head. We're gonna take our right elbow to our left knee, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna take our left elbow to our right knee and come back. Nice and simple. So remember, exhale as we come up, inhale as we come back down. Contract those abs. Keep breathing. You guys got this. And rest. Nice work, guys. All right, next up, we're gonna be doing some windshield wipers with our knees bent. So I'm gonna bring our knees back up into tabletop, hands out at a T. We're gonna bring our knees to one side, bring them back up, and then bring them to the other side. So really nice and slow here. Hands out at a T to just sort of brace yourself. Should be getting a nice little spinal stretch with this exercise as well. Really feel this in your obliques, side of your abs. Nice job. All right, we're gonna come up into a tabletop position. We're gonna do a bird dog variation. So up into tabletop, we're gonna extend our left leg and our right arm. And all we're gonna do is lift them up and then drop them down, keeping our leg and our arm straight the entire time. So come up and down. Draw that belly button up and into your spine. Eyes are straight down at the mat. And our goal is to keep our torso squared off to the ground the entire time. Nice job, guys. We got 10 more seconds here. And rest. You can sit up, give those wrists a little roll out. We're gonna do that same exercise on the other side now. Pull your shoulders out. So now we're extending our right leg and our left arm. Here we go. We just got 3 more exercises after this. Three, 2, and 1. Nice job, guys. Coming down onto our backs now, we're gonna go into a set of swivels. So knees bent, feet flat on the ground. We're gonna lift our chest up off the ground again, keeping that gaze straight up at the ceiling. And we're gonna tap our foot and then tap our foot. So some people call these penguins because we're kind of like a little penguin waddling along. It can be really tempting to want to look down towards your knees, towards your feet. We don't want to do that. We want to make sure that our neck stays long. We don't want to put any unnecessary stress on our neck. So just looking straight up and trying to get those shoulders as high up as we can. And rest. All right, 2 to go, guys. We're gonna go into a set of leg lifts, nice and simple. So our hands are gonna come under our hips. Legs come up to 90 degrees. We're just gonna lower our legs down and then bring them back up. So we wanna focus on really pressing our lower back into the mat the entire time. It's gonna protect your lower back. It's also going to engage your abs. If you can't keep your lower back pressed into the mat, add a bend into your knees or just shorten the range of motion. So maybe you just go down halfway and then come up, that's okay too. The lower your legs get to the mat, to the ground, the harder this exercise is going to be. So don't be a hero. Go down as far as you can keep your back pressed into the mat, then come back up. We're just working on those building blocks, building that core strength. Nice job, rest. All right, guys, our last exercise of the day, we're gonna be doing a straight arm plank. So just coming up onto our feet, onto our palms, shoulders above our wrists. We're a straight line from the crown of our head down to our feet. We're just gonna hang out here. 3, 2, and 1, here we go. So just hanging out here, I want you to contract your abs, squeeze your glutes. If this starts to get too much, we can come down onto our knees and just hold there. Nice job. If you feel like you need to take a second, just drop your knees down, reset, and then press back up. We've got 15 more seconds here. This is it. This is our final push, guys. Keep breathing. Last one, 7 more seconds. Stay up with me for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down and rest. Congratulations on completing your 10-minute beginner abs workout. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's workout. If you did, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button because I post new workouts every Monday and Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.